Lean pork is a good source of protein and B vitamins, B6, B12, thiamine, niacin, riboflavin, selenium and zinc. Pork is a complete protein, which means that it contains all of the essential amino acids which we can't manufacture in our body but are essential for life. Protein is vital for the repair and regeneration of cells and one of the front runners for fighting viral infections. It is required to create, maintain and renew our body cells. Pork can actually help you manage your body weight because protein helps regulate appetite and prolongs the feeling of being full. Pork contains less than half the fat of beef fillets and chicken, and it's a great source of iron too. And this delicious meat is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, and they are great influences in cognitive decline and heart health. There doesn't seem to be much that pork cannot do. The many cuts of pork available can be substituted into most recipes that you would ordinarily use chicken or beef for, and adds a ton of flavour to any dish. My pork go-to is San Shui Bao. Quick, easy and most of all, super tasty.